welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering asset visibility and sharing. When you create an asset, by default, it is visible only to you. If you would like to change this and share your wonderful asset with the world, find your way to Who Has Access in the right-hand column, and you will see that it is not shared. To change that, select the pencil icon and select from the drop-down menu, Members of your project, Members of select projects, or everyone in the community. Be sure to confirm the change, and now the world can use your asset.
If you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the other video tutorials on this channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features articles which cover these topics in greater depth. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.